I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate biscuits at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. Also have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt ready. Don't forget 1 stick of very cold unsalted butter, cut into small cubes, and 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Finally, prepare 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, both sugars, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Next, add the cold, cubed butter to the dry ingredients. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Then, slowly pour in the buttermilk, mixing just until a soft dough forms. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough biscuits, so mix gently. Once your dough is ready, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently knead it a few times, then roll it to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter or a knife to cut out your biscuits. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the biscuits for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are puffed and lightly golden. And there you have it. Your delicious homemade chocolate biscuits are ready. Let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes before serving. They are absolutely wonderful warm, perhaps with a tall glass of cold milk or your favorite hot coffee. These biscuits are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a simple dessert. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.